Hello and welcome to 5 Minute English Talk. I'm Bruce.
And I'm Stacy. Thanks for joining us for another quick and fun English practice session.
5 minutes of English practice a day might sound small, but it adds up to big progress. Whether you listen in the morning, on your commute, or before bed, this short habit keeps your English skills active, natural, and growing.
We've made it to Wednesday, the middle of the week. It's that point where you've survived Monday and Tuesday, but Friday still feels far away. So today, let's learn some natural English phrases that people often use when talking about Wednesdays.
Many people call Wednesday Hump Day. It's a fun way to say you're halfway through the week. You're climbing over the hump toward the weekend. Examples: Happy Hump Day. We're almost there. It's Hump Day. Just 2 more days to go. It's lighthearted and commonly used in offices or casual chats.
Another expression is halfway there. It's simple and motivating. It reminds you that you've already made it through half the week. Examples: It's Wednesday. Halfway there. We're halfway there. Keep going. It's great to say when you want to stay positive and push through.
You might also hear midweek boost. It's used when you need some energy or motivation to finish the week strong. Examples: I need a midweek boost, maybe some coffee. This new playlist is my midweek boost.
And finally, over the hump. It means you've passed the most difficult part and things will get easier from now on. Examples: We're over the hump. The rest of the week should be smooth. Once Wednesday's done, we're over the hump.
Let's practice together. Listen and repeat after me. Pause between each line. Happy Hump Day. We're halfway there. I need a midweek boost. We're over the hump. Say them with energy. Let your voice sound cheerful and confident.
Here's something interesting. Studies show that people often feel the most focused on Wednesdays. It's like the perfect balance point. You've settled into the week, but still have energy to finish strong. So if you ever feel stuck, remind yourself, Wednesday is the day for momentum. Let's see how natural conversation sounds.
Hey, happy Hump Day.
Thanks. I can't believe we're already halfway there.
Yeah, I needed that midweek boost. Coffee time.
Same here. Once we're over the hump, it's smooth sailing to the weekend.
See how natural that sounds? Those small casual phrases help your English feel real and friendly.
Here's your 5-minute challenge. Wish someone a happy hump day or say we're halfway there when talking about work or school. It's a simple, fun way to connect and practice natural English at the same time.
Remember, every small effort counts. Wednesday isn't just the middle of the week. It's your turning point. So smile, stay consistent, and keep moving forward. Thanks for listening to 5 Minute English Talk. If you enjoyed this episode, please leave a comment, give us a review, and rate our show.
Your feedback keeps us going. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember, it only takes 5 minutes a day to sound more natural in English.